Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is David Adidi. I'm a realtor. I'm also a digital business analyst. I am currently the business development manager of Shining Star Property and Investment Limited, located in Lagos, Nigeria, and also the co-founder of Veda Reward Network, also located in Lagos, Nigeria. So I'll be discussing with us today why the need to invest in real estate. And for your information, this will run through a series that will last for a couple of months, and it's just to sensitize us on the need for us as young people, as elderly people, to invest in real estate and the gains we have for doing so. Okay, so the number one reason for this maiden edition why you need to invest in real estate is that it protects your cash. Yeah, real estate protects your cash. Did you know that the annual inflation rate in Nigeria as at 2019 stood at an average of 11%? And in 2020, the inflation rate stood at an average of 12.88%, and it's predicted to fall to 12.69% in 2021. For the layman, what does inflation mean? Inflation means that the rice I buy today for 30,000 per bag will cost me 35,000 naira per bag in the next probably month or weeks or year. Okay, that is the layman meaning of inflation. Okay, investment in real estate is mostly long term and has always been seen as a good strategy to hedge against inflation. Okay, because real estate investment is resistant to inflation. Let's give a practical example. Okay, in 2020, if I decide to buy a property in the Bedleki area of Lagos State with a good title for 3.5 million naira, right? I've invested 3.5 million naira in that property in 2020. By 2021, when inflation will likely have risen, right, and caused that property to increase in its value, I will have held there 3.5 million naira that is restrained from the effect of inflation on that cash. The long-term capital gains from real estate is a pointer to any investor, okay, that it is better to own real estate investment. Okay, so what do I mean? It's far better to invest in real estate and hold, as inflation rocks the world or rocks your country. Hold on to real estate, protect your cash, and in due time you can flip to earn a high return on your investment. I'll leave you with this closing remark by Andrew Carnegie. He said, 90% of all millionaires become so through owning real estate. Wouldn't you rather invest in real estate? Thank you. See you again next time.